Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and we're at the Learn This box, the exercise number 2 on page number 72. So, we use blah 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 to express obligation. Another obligation, what could it be? Must. Yes, must. So, for expressing an obligation, we can use have to or must, but have to, we will need to watch the following phrase that is in order. So we will have to do like an order, like can I do I have to buy that Coke for the reduction of 25% off, like that, in order, yeah, or people honor or something like that. Okay, so obligation, we can use both have or must, have to or must. E, we use blah 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 to express necessity. Need to, okay, need to, you need to, you know what it means. Then we use what to express lack of obligation. Lack of obligation, we will use don't have to and needn't. Yes. Don't have to, like not too serious. Or need. Not too serious, lack of obligation. Okay, so we will now go to the page 72. On page 72, we will have the exercise number 3. Now, oh god. So maybe we will watch the time, and depends on the parts of a show we will do. If it is if we have time, we can do all of the exercise. Or if not, we will do only half. Then you can do it by yourself, the other half, because basic exercise. Now rewrite the sentences using the words in the brackets so that it stays the same meaning. Okay, so do it. Number 1, it would be a good idea if you ate healthier food. So it gave you the word should. So what? You should eat healthier food. Okay, so it is like basic. You should eat healthier food. Okay. Next. Number 2, remember to turn off the lights when you leave. They gave us the word mustn't. So, you mustn't turn on the lights when you leave. Okay, just contrast the sentence meaning. So, it will change to the word given. So, you must not turn on the lights. Or you must not leave the lights on when you leave. Okay, can write it in various ways. You mustn't leave the lights on when you leave. You gotta leave. Turn it off. Number 3. They make us wear a school uniform. So, they make us wear a school uniform. So, change it into we have to wear a school uniform. Okay, we have to wear. Easy days. Number 4, always take your passport with you when you go aboard. You must take your passport with you. When you go aboard. You must take passport. Okay, you must take your passport when you go. When okay, so dumb. We should not have time for this. When you go on a board. Okay. We do one more? Can we do one more? Okay, we can do one more. So, number 5. If you're tired, you better go to bed. You ought to go to bed when you're tired. What's happening? Go to bed when you are tired. Okay, so I think that is enough for the exercise number 3. Now we will move on to the next thing. We need to, okay, 6 to 8. You can do it yourself because just forming easy exercise sentences. Now, read the learner's box, then we will do the exercise number 4 on page number 72. Then, if we still have time at the end of the show, we will be back with the sentences from 6 to 8 at the exercise number 3. Learner's box must and have to. We can often use either have to or must to express obligation. If the speaker is expressing their own feelings and saying that they think something is important or necessary, we use must. Okay, watching right here. I must go to bed means I'm feeling really tired. You must go to bed means I'm telling you to do this. If the obligation is external, based on what the other people think is important or necessary, we prefer have to. I have to go to bed. My mom has told me to. So I will explain to you the grammar point right over here. So, we can either use have to or must to express the obligation, means the thing we have to do. So, if the speaker expressing their own feelings, his or her own feelings, and saying that they think something is important or necessary, we will use must at this situation. Like I must go to bed means the thing that the speaker is expressing, that is going to bed because the speaker is really tired at that time, at a speaking time. And or you must go to bed, so means saying that they want us to do that, mean that here means going to bed. So it is when it comes to important or necessary, we will use must for expressing their own feelings, okay? But when something obligation, it is external. External means not too important. If it is not important, based on what other people think is important, we prefer have to. I have to go to bed. My mom has told me to, because my mom told me to go to bed, so now I will have to go to bed. So not what people say, not what the other speakers say, but speak to me, from yourself, to go to bed, because not too important or necessary, okay? What other people think is that we will use have to. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back.